You can read yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah, what does this say?
The biggest tree in the world.
Wow, look at that.
Good morning.
I like your fuzzy ball.
You like my rat?
Well, rat wasn't my first thought, but it's fuzzy nonetheless. Get my lighting right. Guess I should have read a book on this. You'll have to cut that part.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
I think I'm getting the hang of it.
So where are we? Where are we going?
Okay, so we are in the Sequoia National Park, specifically around the in the Giant Forest area, and we're hiking to see the largest tree, which is the General Sherman tree. But our kids keep getting distracted with huge rocks.
I guess that's better than
So
I guess that's better than fuzzy balls.
So our quarter-mile hike will be a little bit longer.
Went for a walk with the stars last night. Did not believe that I would end up right. Lucky endings were not something for me.
said you can read yesterday.
Oh,
Yeah, what does this say?
the biggest tree in the world.
Dude, what's this letter?
I'm not going
Dude.
Whatever.
What do you think, Jay?
I like it though. It's big.
Huge.
Is that what you expected?
How tall did it
I thought it was gonna be smaller.
Do you think Moto holds a candle to this?
Maybe.
How tall did it say it was, Shorty?
270 something. Feet? Yeah.
275 feet, yeah.
Around? No.
Mom, can you read it for me?
It's 37.5.
It says General Sherman, honey.
What do you think, honey?
I do think it's big.
You just break your stick.
Squirrel!
Is it what you expected?
I don't know. I don't know only because I don't know that I had an expectation per se. I was expecting big and it's big.
Sounds so perverted.
Did you see the one over there with the big tree with the small butt back there?
There's two of them. We took a selfie with it. There's two butts. I was like, dude, look at that.
You took me out of the cold into the fire. You're picking me up when I'm down on the ground. Whenever I'm low, you are lifting me higher. And when I am lost, you make sure that I'm found. Out of the cold into the fire. Out of the cold into the fire. This is too good for a man like me.
But be careful.
I caught myself. It's this, the dirt.
It's slippery. Here, definitely one of my favorites. It's just,
Rainbow does not work out.
if you've never been here, you'll never see trees like this. It's just amazing. Unbelievable.
Want to see me do
Just
one more,
everywhere
guys?
you look.
I'm afraid that I might wake up someday. Sometimes I feel like I'm someone else. I don't really know if I can trust myself. When I think of who I used to be, my faith was lost, my hope was gone. My dreams were shattered and I was done. I was roaming down the street in my weary feet, and then you came along with the love so strong. You took me out of the cold into the fire. You're picking me up when I'm down on the ground. Whenever I'm low, you are lifting me higher. And when I am lost, you make sure that I'm found. Out of the cold into the fire.
What's it say?
The Sentinel just average. If you think the giant tree in front of you is big, in one sense you are right. The Sentinel, a 2,200-year-old sequoia, is a monster compared to most trees. But in this land of giants, the Sentinel is just average. In the grove of sequoias that surrounds you, some trees are nearly twice as large as the Sentinel.
Okay, what's your favorite part so far?
Climbing on rocks and looking at all the trees.
Which one's your favorite tree?
The big fat one. Yeah, Sherman.
Oh, you like Sherman, the first one today.
Yeah, he was huge.
What is climbing on rocks and going inside the water And going inside that, what was that, Wesley?
General Grant?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, the one right before that.
Sentinel?
Yeah, the
Yeah.
one we went into.
The log?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the hollow log was pretty cool. Favorite thing so far?
Well, so far, I like climbing on the rocks, and I liked the water and the trees and pretty much everything that we've done today. I don't know, all of it, I guess. It was all fun. I like the hiking and stuff, but it would have been better if I didn't have.
You didn't have a firecracker blow up between your legs?
Yeah.
Not too many girls get to have firecrackers blow up between their legs.
You're special.
1 in a million.
You are 1 in a million. That is true.
In a bad way.
Hey. Hey. Killing me, Smalls. Killing me.
Like the tree that they could go inside.
The one that was laid down and yeah.
In the Grant Village.
Yeah.
I liked General Sherman also. And we saw a little bit of Morrow Rock. We didn't finish that one. And same thing with Big Trees. We didn't actually hike up those trails. So I'd like to see what those are, but I did enjoy Grant Village. We also met a couple there too. So.
I'm going to bed.
He was crying because he had to leave.
You're going to bed?
What's your favorite part for today?
My favorite part was Grant. To me, Grant was just exponentially better than Sherman. I like Sherman because we were there at first light, and so you had some pretty cool, the light coming through the trees and stuff. But the trees on what is it, Kings Canyon? Is that the other part?
Yes.
Kings
Yeah.
Canyon. The trees at Kings Canyon on the Grant Grove were so much bigger and so much more magnificent. Now, you know, while we were filming and witnessing Sherman at the golden hour this morning, we were doing the same with the Grant Grove this evening. So it was right near sunset, and so it was pretty spectacular.